However, we will talk about something called phishing, right? So here is why. Password can be guessed or cracked. These passwords can be cracked through a brute force application. They get stolen in phishing attacks every single day. So what happens? You have a website. You are using a banking website. Okay. What phishing will do? It will create a clone of your website, and it will, like, after they create a clone of the website, it will give you a prompt to log in. Like, it looks similar, very similar to your banking website. So you end up putting your user ID and password, and your password is stolen, right? So nowadays, if you see every banking website or financial websites you go, they send an SMS to your registered mobile number. That is the second factor authentication, of course. Or people reuse the same password across multiple sites. So someone's password on Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, and other different platforms are same. Any of these platforms get hacked, or there is a data breach on these platforms, and your password is stolen, your credential is stolen. So the same password can be used across multiple sites. They can try it, at least they can try. So if you want to see that your password has been uh, breached, so there is a website, have I been Pwned, have I been pawned, check your email address. So let us see the poem story at gmail.com, and you check, have I been pawned? Zero data breaches for my account, but this is another, I have another account, and definitely, because I'm using it for almost 16 years now, if I look this account, and I am 100% sure that somewhere the credentials are breached. So there are 22 data breaches which happened, and my credentials are known to people. Where no SOC radar, meme chat, LinkedIn scraped data, Domino's India. So data breach happened on Domino's India, on Twitter, on Site Zero Day, Big Basket, Gravtar, Paytm, data enriching exposure from PDL customer, collection, number of Royal Enfield. Again, I have a Royal Enfield motorcycle, Dub Smash. If you're creating accounts on Dub Smash, so be 100% sure that your data will be breached. Onliner, Snapbot, Zomato, exploit.in, Mail.ru dump, Bitcoin Security Forum Gmail dump. On Adobe, the data breach happened. In October 2013, 153 million Adobe accounts were breached, with each containing an internal ID, username, email, encrypted password, and a password hint in a plain text. The password cryptography was poorly done, and many were quickly resolved back to plain text. The unencrypted hints also disclosed much about the password. I'm smiling because that is okay. I am protected with the second factor authentication, but you can see how secure you are when you are working on the internet, right? And that is one reason why multi-factor authentication is a requirement for you, right? Any other email address. So you can go to haveibeenpawned.com. You can put your email address, and you can check it. You will see where your data is breached, and these are not small companies. LinkedIn, Domino's, Twitter, Adobe, Big Basket. So these are big companies where the data breaches are happening. So now you know how secure you are.